Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In today's video, we are going to discuss the subject Secretarial Practice for Standard 12th, and also today we'll learn a new topic, that is letters in the chapter Correspondence with Debenture Holders. The letter we are going to study is Payment of Interest on Debentures electronically and conversion of debentures into equity shares. So students, before we start with the letter writing, let us recap with the layout of business letter. Layout of business letter. Student, this is the layout of business letter. Layout, it means format. So this is the format of the letter. According to this format, you have to write the letter. As you all can see, student, on the top, in the middle of the letter, there is a letterhead. We can also say it head address. Here, this head address, it contains the name and address of the company. Yes, student, whenever you are writing the letter, you have to start, that means you have to start writing with the company's name and with the company's address, which will come on the top of the letter. After that, the next layout part is date. Remember student, without date, a letter is said to be incomplete. So date, it is very important. Date, you will write on the right hand side of the letter, that is after the head address. After date, on the left hand side of the letter, you have to mention inside address. Inside address, it contains the name and address of that person whom you are writing the letter. In simple term, it is the name and address of the receiver who is going to receive this letter. That person, his or her name and address will be mentioned here, which is said to be inside address, and it will come on the left hand side of the letter. Down, that is below inside address, there is salutation. Salutation, it means greetings. It greetings in simple term, you have to mention here, you have to start the letter with respected, dear, sir, madam. After the salutation, you will start with the body of the letter. Body of the letter, it means it contains what is the letter all about. In simple term, here you will write in detail, you will explain the letter, why you are writing this letter, so that it is said to be body of the letter. After explaining, after writing the letter, you have to close the letter by thanking you, which will come on the left hand side of the letter. After thanking you, you will close the letter with a complimentary close. Complimentary close, it contains the company's name with the secretary's signature. Student, according to this format, you have to write the letter. Also student, remember one thing. If you are writing the layout, but you are not writing the body of the letter, means you are writing company's name, address, date, receiver's address, complimentary clause, signature, everything you are writing, but you are not writing this, that is body of the letter. So according to the board pattern, you will be not eligible to get a single marks. That means body of the letter is important to write. So moving ahead, let's start with the first letter, which company is writing to the member. The very first letter today we'll study is the subject payment of interest on debentures electronically through ECS or NEFT. Students, as you all know, debenture capital is a loan, that is borrowed capital of a company. Thus, debenture holders are the creditors and they receive fixed rate of interest as a return on their investment. So student, when a company pays interest to the debenture holder, they pay through interest warrant and they can also pay electronically. And today in this letter, we will study payment of interest through electronic mode, that is electronic payment of interest. So let us study in detail what Secretary is informing in this letter on behalf of a company to the debenture holder regarding payment of interest on debentures electronically. So very first paragraph, Secretary is writing, "Dear Madam, I am instructed by the Board of Directors to convey to you that the board has passed a resolution in the board meeting which was held on 10th March 2019, finalizing that to pay interest at the rate 10% on redeemable debentures of rupees 100 each for the year ending 31st March 2019. Your company has complied with all the provisions relating to the payment of interest on debentures." Here, in the first paragraph, Secretary is informing, "Dear Madam, मैं ये लेटर आपको कंपनी के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स के तरफ से लिखकर ये इन्फॉर्म करना चाहती हूँ कि 10 मार्च 2019 को हमारे बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स ने बोर्ड मीटिंग कंडक्ट किया जहां उन्होंने रिजोल्यूशन पास करके ये डिसाइड किया है फॉर द ईयर एंडिंग 31 मार्च 2019 के लिए एट द रेट 10% से रिडीमेबल डिबेंचर्स जो है ऑफ रुपीज 100 ईच का उस पे हमारी कंपनी आपको इंटरेस्ट पे करेगी. सो द डिटेल्स ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पेएबल टू यू आर एज फॉलोज. You can see student, the very first box, it contains the register number which is C440. The second box, it contains the number of debentures that person is holding, that is 100 debenture he is holding in the company, and that 100 debenture distinctive numbers are from 601 to 700, and on that 100 debentures at the rate 10%, that debenture will be getting gross amount of interest, that is rupees 1000. On that TDS, that is tax deducted at the source, nothing has been deducted, that's why it is written nil. So the gross amount, that is the net amount of interest she will be getting, that is rupees 1000. Last paragraph, Secretary is informing, "Madam, by electronic transfer, that is through ECS or NEFT, we are paying you interest by crediting in your bank account which is given by you to the company. Thanking you, yours faithfully, company's secretary." The second letter which we are going to study today is the subject conversion of debentures into equity shares. Student, conversion of debentures are those debentures which are converted into equity shares after a specified period. But students, for conversion of debentures, company has to get approval from shareholders by passing special resolution at the extraordinary general meeting. And after receiving their approval, the company sends letter of conversion of debentures into equity shares to the debenture holders. So now let us see in detail what secretary is informing on behalf of the company to the debenture holder regarding conversion of debentures. So here secretary is writing, "Dear sir, I am directed to inform you that in accordance with the terms decided at the time of issue of 1 lakh at the rate 10% fully convertible debentures, the debentures are due for conversion. And in accordance with the above, a special resolution was passed by the shareholders in the extraordinary general meeting held on 25th May 2019 for approval of conversion of debentures into equity shares in the ratio 2:1. As per your letter of option, you have been allotted 50 equity shares in lieu of 100 debentures." So student, in this first and second paragraph, secretary is informing, she is writing, "Dear sir, ये लेटर लिखकर मैं ये इन्फॉर्म करना चाहती हूँ, जैसे कि 1 लाख एट द रेट 10% फुल्ली कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स अभी ड्यू है कन्वर्जन के लिए हैज पर टर्म्स जो इशू करने के टाइम डिसाइड हुआ था। तो सर 25 मई 2019 को हमारे शेयर होल्डर्स ने एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी जनरल मीटिंग में स्पेशल रेजोल्यूशन पास करके ये डिसाइड किया है कि 2:1 के रेशो से डिबेंचर्स को इक्विटी शेयर्स में कन्वर्ट करके करेंगे और आपके लेटर के ऑप्शन जो आपने कंपनी को दिया है वो लेटर ऑफ ऑप्शन के इससे हमने 50 इक्विटी शेयर्स इन प्लेस ऑफ मींस इंस्टेड ऑफ 100 डिबेंचर्स अलॉट किया है आपको। इन सिंपल सर, आपके कहने पर हमने आपके 100 डिबेंचर्स पे 50 इक्विटी शेयर्स इशू किया है आपको। Details of your holding after conversion are as follows. So you can see the first box, it contains the folio number which is 465 and that person was holding debentures in the company is in the second box, that is 100. Third box, it contains the conversion of debentures into equity shares. Now equity shares he will be holding in the company, he has been issued, that is 50. So that 50 equity shares distinctive numbers are from 501 to 550 and his share certificate number is 2219. Second last and last paragraph, secretary is informing, sir, ये लेटर के साथ साइन किया हुआ शेयर सर्टिफिकेट हम आपको अटैच करके भेज रहे हैं और 25 मई 2019 से आपका डिबेंचर सर्टिफिकेट जो है वो कैंसिल कर देंगे, कैंसिल किया जाएगा। थैंकिंग यू, योर्स फेथफुली, कंपनीज secretary. You can see enclosure that here with this letter something is attached, that is share certificate. So it is mentioned here, enclosure share certificate. Thank you.